Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, we are going to give away the ultimate advice we could give you for your dropshipping business in 2020. Stay tuned.
What's up, guys? Some super serious information you guys should take in from this video is social media, okay? Using social media for your dropshipping stores, for your businesses. There's a lot of people that don't really use Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. They might just post pictures now and then, or they might just do some promotions on there. But honestly, guys, putting out content daily, putting out content like a couple times a day is something that's really going to help your business grow, right? I mean, think about it. You're putting out content towards your audience, right? The more content you put, the more people are going to share it, the more people are going to comment. And it's almost like growing your own community in a sense, right? Because the more people you have engaged with your community, the people are going to be more interested in your products and the stuff that you sell, right? So if you can grow kind of like a fan base around your business, that's always something that's recommended to do, right? Something that's going to help you in the long run too, as well as just putting out valuable information. Like say something like what we're doing right now on Ecom Street, where we're just providing value. Even if you have a dropshipping business, say you have a fitness store, for example, you might want to post stuff like maybe like working out like routines or stuff like for like meal plans, something like that. Even that, right? It might be like interesting to do for your audience, for them to see.
Not only are you leaving money on the table when you're not posting on all these platforms, but you're just leaving value on the table. Like, I'm hugely like keen on like what goes around comes around kind of thing in
100%.
life. And so when you give, and then ask for the sale or ask for the order or ask for whatever it is like your business revolves around, you know, you're just at a much better probability of them saying yes instead of just going straight for that, you know, that ask to take from them without giving anything first. Like, so basically what I'm trying to say here is that everything your business should do, especially when it comes to selling, should revolve around reciprocity. And just ensuring that you're providing value everywhere you possibly could in every single aspect to ensure that like your company doesn't only like survive and grow, but like you just feel good on the inside knowing that like, you know, your audience is receiving that free value. Like some of the biggest companies out there, like for example, a huge e-commerce dropshipping company called Blue Crate, you know, what they did is they paid these like, this like Facebook TV series kind of thing that feature all these cool products. They paid them to promote their products on there. And so although it was paid, it was still kind of like free content for the viewer, right? It was just like a cool, like it was like kind of like a series on Facebook.
Yeah,
and so
it's pretty dope.
They paid this channel. It's called like I Want It or something like that.
Yeah,
and
I want one.
I want one.
Yeah, it's cool.
And they just promoted all these cool products on Blue Crate, and that's
viral.
where all of their traffic came from. Now they still ran Facebook ads for like retargeting and stuff, but like their main source of traffic was from these. Like, although it was paid content, it appeared as free content because the people watching had no idea it was actually an ad. That's how like smart their marketing was.
Exactly, right.
So to put it all together here, you know, reciprocity is just something like you just have to, even if like you're a content creator, or if you're, you know, you're an author, like almost anything really, like as long as you are providing value to your audience, actually caring about your audience, showing that, and there's many ways to do that. Like you can get creative. As long as you're doing that, you know, then you're doing a good job. Like you just gotta like 10x down on that and everything else will fall into place. That's my honest opinion.
You guys gotta keep in mind too, right? Just because you have a certain amount of followers does not mean that your page or that your whatever you're trying to grow is being successful or being used in the right way, right? You may have 10,000 followers, but maybe only 1,000 of those followers are actually active on your page. So it's important that what you're posting is actually like providing at least some sort of value to them, right? You want people to be engaging as much as possible with your pages because that's how, honestly, that's how it grows, right? Think about it this way. Say you have, you know, a page with 100,000 followers on it, right? And this is like an e-commerce store to a dropshipping store on Instagram, even Facebook. Let's say total 100,000, okay? If you post a video or whatever for your product that you're selling, people are going to click on your website, right? It's guaranteed traffic. It's free traffic, and you never know what people are going to purchase, right? You don't know how many people are going to be going on your website. But it's free traffic, and who wouldn't want that, right? So at the end of the day, content, that's all that matters. Put out content, put out as much as you can, and make sure that it's good content that's being put out as well.
Alright, guys, so to wrap it up here, we just kind of want to give you a real example here, and that's with currently just us with Ecom Street. So like, you know, this year in 2020, like one of our like biggest goals by far, and just like our aspiration really here, like our vision here, if you will, is just to provide our audience with as much value as possible with nothing like expected in return. So we're not, the only expectation we have in return really is for you to actually go and take action, because unfortunately 95% of the people that watch this motivation stuff, not only from us but from those huge creators like Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, 95% of those people just watch it and then swipe and they never take action. So one of our biggest vision, I'd say, is just to make sure you actually take what we're teaching you and showing you, and providing you, and use it to your own advantage somehow. No matter, you don't have to start your own business, but you can use it, to maybe take some of the sales stuff that we know, or maybe the social media part, start your own social media growth page, whatever you want to do.
Anything, guys. Honestly, it could be anything from our page. We just want to be known as the biggest value provided page on Instagram, no matter what it is, whether it's starting your own business on Shopify or dropshipping or sales or social media marketing, any of that stuff. As long as we're providing you guys value at the end of the day, that's going to make Corey and I very happy. And if we see that you guys are engaged in our comments, commenting what you like, that's going to make us happy. We don't care about how many followers we have, as long as we're growing with you guys at the same time. Alright guys, so that brings it up for this video. We hope you enjoyed the content. We hope you enjoyed what value we're bringing to you guys. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.